Hello, I'm here to demonstrate the FIO protocol inside of the publicly available Edge and Guarda wallets. The FIO protocol makes crypto products easier so anyone can use them and is being integrated into a rapidly growing number of wallets, exchanges, and crypto payment processors. So I'm here in my Edge wallet. You see the menu in the top right. We'll go there and we'll select FIO Address so you can see what it's like to register a FIO address. Now my wallet has an address registered, but I'm going to register a new one by clicking the button below. Some users can also choose to register their own private domain. But I'm going to go ahead and just register my FIO address on my wallet's domain, kind of like Hotmail or Gmail, by selecting a username and seeing if it's available. If it's available, I can just click Next. And at this point, I can proceed to register. Now, the Foundation for Inter-Wallet Operability is going to give away millions of FIO addresses through wallets and protocols and various partners. But if you had to pay for it, it's only a couple dollars a year in token charges. And you can pay for that in a variety of tokens or coins. I'm going to go ahead and pay for mine in USDC. This $2 for the vast majority of users will cover pretty much all of their interaction with the FIO blockchain throughout the year. They'll never have to worry about any FIO transaction fees or anything like that when using the FIO protocol to send and receive crypto. So after my payment processes, I'll be able to see my FIO address. So I'll go back into the menu and FIO address, and we can see that demo at Edge is registered. And now I can select it, and I can actually decide which types of tokens or coins I want to interact with my FIO address on by selecting them here. So now all of these tokens and coins will be associated with my FIO address. So now I'm going to move over to my Guarda Wallet, which is on my laptop computer. And you can see in my Guarda Wallet that I've already had a FIO address registered here, David at Guarda Wallet. And you can see some information on that. You can see how I've linked it to many of my tokens and coins in my Guarda Wallet. So I could just send with FIO addresses, so I could send crypto to demo at Edge. But we're going to do something amazing here because FIO is much more than just a wallet name. We're actually going to request some Ethereum in a completely decentralized and self-sovereign way. So I'm going to go here and click Request under Ethereum. And you can see it's from my FIO address using my Ethereum. I'm going to go ahead and request some FIO from demo at Edge. We'll put that address in. We'll put in a small amount of ETH here. And I can even add a note, a memo. This could be in the future an order card or an invoice coming from an e-commerce site or from business to business use. But we'll just put in a little note here that this is for the demo as of the date of the demo here today. And we'll go ahead and go to the next screen. And we're going to review our transaction here and make sure everything's right. And we'll go ahead and create the request. Now, this request is being processed by the FIO protocol, and we'll now return over to my Edge wallet and watch it over there. So now I'm back in my Edge wallet, and we'll go ahead and go up to the menu again on the top right, and we'll select FIO Requests. And I can see at the top that I have a pending FIO request for a small amount of ETH. So I'm going to go ahead and select that request. Important to emphasize again that this is all happening in a decentralized manner. There is not a central organization in the middle of this transaction. I can see who it is from. I can see the memo about the demo. And now I can improve this. And I'm signing this Ethereum transaction in my Edge wallet onto the Ethereum blockchain. So that transaction was done in a completely self-sovereign way. And I've now sent that small amount of ETH off to David at Guarda Wallet. So now I'm back in my Guarda Wallet on my laptop, and you can see in the history here that there is a FIO request that I sent that was approved, and I can see that I received the Ethereum. So what we just experienced here was the ability to send a request for payment in a decentralized manner from one wallet to another wallet, never having to see or even know what a public address is, using human-readable FIO addresses, and the ability to include some information about what that transaction was about. In this case, just a note, but it could be an order cart, an invoice, a deposit details going into an exchange, all kinds of things. So I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of the FIO protocol, and go out and try it yourself. Grab one of these wallets, grab one of the other wallets that you see that have integrated at fioprotocol.io. There's a complete up-to-date list of all of the wallets, exchanges, etc., that are integrating the FIO protocol. Thank you.